Anyways, hey cousins. So, this is Vlogmas Day 2.
I think. I don't know. We'll tell y'all in the description.
But yeah.
I think it's 2.
And we received a package from Kinlo.
Ooh, girl.
Kinlo is a skincare line by Naomi Osaka. Yes, the tennis player.
Mm-hmm.
And it's catered towards women who look like us.
Melanated women.
Period. So we're gonna do an unboxing for y'all today to see what we got. They sent us a little care package. If I can open it. You'll open this.
We know. If. Bree's under the weather if y'all can't tell.
And what you is?
I'm not over here sounding like I got goddamn COPD.
Jeez. It be your biggest haters, the ones that's closest to you.
Baby Kinlo didn't play, huh? Y'all make sure nobody get this but us. Because we barely could get it. Girl.
That's the heavy duty.
Come on, Naomi.
Heavy duty.
Not Naomi. Listen. You got your own tape too, sis? There we go. That was precision. That was precision right there.
Had to focus in. All that junk talking you doing.
Anyway, all right. Let's see what we got.
Open us up, babe.
Ooh.
Okay.
Ooh. What we got? Okay, we got a little lotion, body lotion with sunscreen.
Okay.
SPF 30.
Always golden.
Stay golden too at the back. Oh, then she got a signature at the back.
That's cute.
Okay, what else we got, babe?
A cooling body gel moisturizer.
Okay. Now we got to see the order we're supposed to use this. So do we moisturize? Is this only for our face? That one? You say body or?
Oh, this is like if you've been in the sun all day. So you can use it after cleansing, showering, or after you've been in the sun. And then this is just body lotion, period. Whenever you want to use it.
All right. And we got a bunch of little nuggets here. Well, we got the sunscreen itself, Golden Rays. It's a spray on, I think. I don't know if it's liquid or...
Yeah, it's a spray.
I don't know if it's liquid or foam or something, because it kind of looks like a foam too.
Yeah.
But anyway, this is the sunscreen.
Then we have a golden mist. So I guess if we want to have a glow about ourselves, we can use that.
Oh, lip balm.
Oh, that we need that because
my lips stay dry.
Need that.
My lips stay dry, and I'm sure y'all know.
Dry.
And I don't
real
care.
dry.
I don't care if y'all know, because I know. You ain't got to tell me. That's that eczema. I'm waiting on my wife to actually do something about it. She's supposed to be, doing something. What that is?
Got some eye cream.
I don't know how to use eye cream.
Me either, but I'm gonna use it today. Oh, we got hemp seed oil, jojoba.
That's a little girly for me.
Shea butter.
But I'm gonna try it.
It's gonna be nice.
And I think this is some instructions in here too on how it's supposed to be used and whatnot. So we'll look at it. Baby, put that down. That's why I left it there. And you go, God.
So yes, that's all our goodies from Kinlo. Thank you so much for sending us these products.
We gonna use them and let y'all know.
I'm super excited to use them, like for real.
And they got some good scents too. Sweet orange coconut.
Mm-hmm.
This is, I don't know, but it got a flower on it, so I'm thinking it's giving floral scents. And then I'll let y'all know. Y'all can't get it all in one day.
Super excited.
Got the play.
And then we're going to put the link to the website if y'all are interested in looking at any of these products. in our description section below. But don't forget to comment, like, hit that subscribe button, and we'll see y'all next time.
See y'all.